What shall I make? My mother is making dough. She is kneading the dough for chapati. I squeezed. I squeezed the dough. She rolls the dough back and forth. I poked my finger in the dough. This baby has tiny eyes. This cat has a pointed tail. I patted it down. It pulled out a nose from the dough. A pinch of small dough. This is a round dough. Do you have big teeth? I grabbed the cat. It is a smooth dough. I pressed the dough. I rolled the dough into a circle. This chapati is puffed up. This chapati is puffed up. This chapati is puffed up. What shall I make? Neeraj's mother was kneading dough. She was going to make chapatis. She gave Neeraj some dough to play with. Neeraj squeezed. Neeraj squeezed the dough. What shall I make? He said. Neeraj rolled the dough back and forth into a long rope. At one end of the rope, he poked two tiny eyes. The other end became a pointed tail. It's going to bite me, Neeraj yelled. Roll it up. Quick, his mother said. Neeraj quickly rolled up the snake. What shall I make now? Neeraj said. Neeraj rolled the dough into a ball. He patted it down. Poked in two eyes. Poked. He poked in two tiny eyes and pulled out a nose. At the other end came a long tail. Neeraj yelled, it will run all over the house. Roll it up, quick, his mother said. Neeraj quickly rolled up the mouse. What shall I make now? Neeraj said. Neeraj rolled the dough into a ball. He pinched off a small ball and stuck it on the big ball. He made round eyes and ears. He gave it a tiny nose and a tail. Neeraj yelled, it's going to drink up all the milk. Neeraj it up, roll it up, quick, his mother said. I can't. Neeraj said, it's growing and growing. Neeraj yelled, it's opening its mouth. Neeraj yelled, it's opening its mouth and it's got big teeth. Quick, his mother said. You know what to do? Neeraj grabbed the lion and rolled it up round and round. round and round. He rolled the dough into a ball, round and smooth. Then Neeraj pressed it flat and small circle. Neeraj rolled the circle bigger and bigger, a big round chapati. His mother put it on the tawa. It puffed up. It puffed up. Squeezed, squeezed, pinched, patted, rolled flat and round, hot, light and puffy. It was the best chapati Neeraj had ever eaten. I will write a letter to my friend. I began to write, dear friend. This will be my second letter. I am almost done writing. I will write something about 100 books. This is enough for this letter.